Welcome. In this video I will show you how to password protect a folder on Windows 10. To do this, you're gonna need a third-party archivation tool, and I highly recommend using 7-zip since it's free and it's pretty convenient to use. So first of all, let's open a web browser and go to the search engine and then search for the 7-zip program. Now open the official 7zip.org website, and on this website download the 64-bit version if you have a 64-bit system. If you have a 32-bit version of your Windows, then download this one. Once you download the setup file, you can run it. Then if you want to change the destination folder for your program, click right here and change the program by selecting the folder, change the destination by selecting a different folder in your file explorer. Then select install, wait until the program is installed, click close when it is, and then in order to protect a folder, let's see what we have here. We have one file named secret, and if you want to protect it, right click the folder and select 7-zip, add to archive. Now you can change the format of this new folder and enter a password into this field, then confirm it in the following. You can also select show password and then just enter it once. You can change the encryption method, then click OK, and once you click OK, the protected folder will be created. You can still open it if you right click it and select open with a Windows Explorer, and you can even open the folder, but if you want to access this file, you're gonna need to enter the password. The same goes to extraction. If you want to extract this file out of here, you're also gonna have to enter the password to it. So that's how you protect folders in Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.